Amanda is a mathematics teacher. She teaches Stage 1 and 2 maths at Dudley College. She wants to start a new topic of matrices for her specialist maths class. She wants her lesson to be interactive. She also wants to use a new pedagogical approach to make sure she meets all students' learning needs. Amanda decided to use a mixed teaching approach. She is thinking about using a traditional teaching approach of chalk and board to model matrix concepts. The other approach she is going to use is technology. She decides to research further into the use of calculator in the classroom. Amanda discovers that technology has a positive effect on students' learning. It makes learning enjoyable. It helps the students to develop love for learning, build self-esteem, and develop learning independency. It also helps to consolidate new knowledge and concepts. The calculator allows students to reflect on learning conceptual strategies as they select the correct method to be used to solve a given problem. Amanda decides to develop a lesson plan that has two components. The first half of the lesson will cater for instrumental understanding. She wants her students to learn rules using the concept of addition, subtraction, and division, as students are familiar with these operations. The second half of the lesson will focus on the integration of technology to consolidate learned concepts, giving students the opportunity to reflect on learned materials while learning a new strategy to use. She decides she wants to start from basics. She wants her students to be able to define a matrix, identify what matrix elements are, and being able to identify the orientation of the matrix. Then, she will construct conceptual rules and formulas with the students to avoid misconceptions. Amanda thought that a graphic calculator is the perfect tool to use to consolidate those learned skills. She is hoping that once her students become technologically literate, they will be able to decide for themselves the best appropriate strategy to use for a specific problem during problem-solving activities. Sometimes many teachers fear that calculator-generated answers are incorrect because students heavily rely on the device. However, the applied formulas could be incorrect, then they get wrong answer. However, Amanda thinks that students with well-adapted calculator skills should be able to identify errors within the answers and self-correct their mistakes. She sees calculators as additional problem-solving strategy, but it is not a computational learning substitution. She also thinks that calculators are motivational and learning engagement tools that helps all students to have mathematical learning success. Amanda also thinks that it is critically important for all teachers to incorporate technology, if possible, in each lesson to maximize students' learning. For mathematics teachers, there are a lot of calculator-based resources and professional training courses available on aide app, and it is readily to access on handheld devices such as mobile phone. Thank you so much for listening. You have reached the conclusion of the film.